I'm Toby Lynn, and I'm glad you're watching my information. Right now, I want to talk about bank statements and the source of funds and why lenders are so picky or what they're picky about. Typically, when you're applying for a mortgage, we're going to go 2 months of your bank history for whatever accounts you have. Whatever accounts you have that we're counting that need to be part of the file. So that's going to include 2 months worth of statements. It can be a printout, but that printout must show the bank information, the borrower's name, the account number, full number. Can't have anything with blackout. Every once in a while somebody hands me a bank statement that they think they're being private and black out the account number. There is nothing private in a mortgage application, sorry to tell you. We've got to have that. We can't have anything X'd out. So let me tell you what we're looking for. We're looking for unusual deposits. Let's say your payroll check or your Social Security check or your pension check, whatever it is normally deposited. We can see that, obviously, no question there. But then you end up with $1,000 or a $2,000 or whatever $1,000 out of the ordinary deposit. Well, we need to know where that money came from. Was it a gift from a family member? That's fine. But then we need the documentation for that. We'll need a gift letter, which we'll supply you. And we'll also need to show that that gift donor had the ability to gift you the money. So there's paperwork involved. And before you start transferring money, let's talk about it because I can help make that gift situation easier. Is it possible that that deposit came from the borrower selling something? Over the 30 years that I've been in the mortgage business, I have had people sell musical equipment, cars, farm equipment, a boat, motorcycle, whatever. There's lots of things. And guess what I'm going to say next? Of course, we have to have documentation for that. So we can't just see the deposit and then you tell me that, oh, I sold a car. I'm going to need to see the deed transfer, ownership, and I'm also going to end up needing to do a blue book value on the car to make sure that it actually sold for around what it was worth. And that the reason for that is because then the lender knows that you didn't sell a car that was worth $2,000 to your brother for $20,000 just to get money for the loan. So, again, there's reasons for everything. Is it possible that you're working an extra job of which we'll collect the information for? That's great. I may not be counting the extra income, depending, but that way we'll be able to source that money. And another one that comes up a lot is, let's say a borrower is collecting child support, but there's a back and forth between the two spouses and somebody's reimbursing somebody else for, let's say, medical expenses, something like that. That ends up being an oddball from the child support agreement deposit. Well, again, we just need to see the source of that check, so we'll take either the photocopy of the check that was deposited to see it came from that ex-spouse, or the different loans require different things. But yeah, we need everything. We're no longer in the days of stated assets. Too bad in some cases, but that's where we are right now. We're going to need everything. And those are the reasons why. You can call or text me at 404-786-5953. Ask me any questions. I am totally here to assist and close your mortgage loan, of course, but here to answer any questions as well. I hope you're having a great day, and I look forward to hopefully speaking with you. Bye.